our host, the ambassador of the European Union, Francesca de Moore. I don't know if I have pronounced that correctly, but she tells me it is a very ancient name that reflects cultural amalgamation and exchange in that part of the world. And the name could be traced apparently back to Mauritania and the cultural exchange that happened between different continents, different religious groups, and different societies. The fact that we're here today in this beautiful environment in the great city of Mogadishu is testament to the progress, stability, and the tranquility in Somalia. And we as Muslim people, we are told to be thankful to God and also to his creations who come our way at a time of need. So here today, I see a lot of people from around the world as part of the diplomatic corps who are going to have iftar in the capital city of Somalia. And as we make progress as Somalis, we always like to remember our friends from different parts of the world who stand with us at times of difficulty, at times of also great success. Let me begin by thanking the European Union and others, and also emphasize the importance of the holy month of Ramadan for the Somali people and the Muslim world at large. It is a month of forgiveness. It is a month of renewal of faith. It is a month of charity and compassion and sharing whatever you have with those that are less fortunate. And as we sit here today, a lot of Somalis, those that may be very well off and those that might not be, are sharing whatever they can with the rest of their countrymen and women, especially at a difficult time when droughts are looming in the air. I would like to remind a lot of the actors in this gathering today that that is an area of focus in the coming of months, and we would like to thank you well in advance for your support. As they say, when food is around the corner, one is not supposed to speak a lot in the Somali context. So I will limit my remarks to thanking the participants of this gathering and underscoring the importance of dialogue and unity among the Somalis. As representing the federal government of Somalia, we, the government, stand on the side of dialogue, on the side of consultation, and on the side of unity. And it's on those principles and those bases that we have had few days of dialogue with members of the opposition groups. We hope to continue that. We remain steadfast in the agenda of building consensus on a future that is much brighter than the past and on a progress that the Somali people deserve and demand. I'd like to thank our partners, and we pray that Somalia and the rest of the world enjoys the peace and the tranquility that we all enjoy here today. Thank you very much.